Hey, what's up people? So in this video I'm going to disassemble the Civivi governor. This knife is brand new. I have never disassembled it. I don't know how it looks inside except that it has washers, phosphor bronze washers, and it seems to be heavily milled out inside. I have a T8 and a T6 here for the pocket clip. Also some oil and some cleaning gloves, of course. Right now the action out of the box, almost drop shotty, still a very good action. Try to see what we can do here. So it appears that you have to press, of course, on one side while you screw out the pivot on the other side. The body screws also are T8. I'm not sure if we have to remove the pocket clip. We will find out in just a second. Some blue Loctite on the screws. Very easily though to remove them. So let's put these here. And let's see if we can already know. Okay, we have to indeed also remove the pocket clip. Like I said, for the pocket clip you need T6 then. So out comes our first scale, and we'll just wipe this off here real quick. And we have there's a lot of oil in here, which we will obviously remove so we are not attracting more dust and dirt than we necessarily need. So actually nice and big washer right here. Appears to be phosphor bronze, which is good. We like that. A lot of milling on this side already, and I think even more on the other side. So yeah, actually let's check our detent here real quick. Here is our detent. So the knife was very clean actually. A little bit too much oil for my taste, but that's easily removable. So yeah, quite a simple construction as it seems. We will see when we reassemble the knife. The pivot here, I want to mention this, is actually free spinning on this side, so you have to press down on it. Actually, oh, it's actually not free spinning. I'm wrong about that. You cannot see, I can only twist it up here, but not if it is firmly into place. I can no longer spin the pivot, which is good because it has no torques on this side. Very heavily milled out on this side. So because I have now removed the oil, I will actually put very tiny bit of oil on there. But yeah, it seems to be that this knife doesn't actually needs to be disassembled, as it comes to you There is a little bit too much oil, like I said, in here that will attract more dirt, but yeah, it's not too bad. Nice large washers here. A tiny little drop of camellia oil, Chinese camellia oil that is. That's the stuff I usually prefer for my knives. But hey, use whatever you like and you feel good with. So let's see. I think okay, so the scale does not click into place. You really have to screw it down in order to make sure that it holds on there. Oh, my bad, this is actually a pocket clip screw. I like that they chose T8 for all the body screws, or at least the scale screws. Not the pocket clip screws, but that's alright. That's very difficult to also make the pocket clip screws out of T8, obviously. Okay. Screw quality seems to be okay. Not the best screws that I have seen so far. But you know, we have to keep in mind that this is of course a budget knife. And something was wrong there. Okay, I guess now it's fine. Yeah. Put in the pocket clip also. So yeah guys, as you just saw, very simply very simple to disassembly. The pocket clip screws will be a little bit more tricky, I guess, on camera, but I think we can manage that also. Yeah, there you go. Whoop. Okay, I think our pivot is a little bit too tight. Let's loosen that boy a little bit. There we go. Rock solid, up and down, side to side. Action has to work itself in. The oil has not spread entirely, but yeah. That's how the Civivi governor looks inside. Very simple, very straightforward. Screw quality, like I said, not the best in the world, but hey, for the price you're paying here, that seems to be fine. Yeah, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.